Story Factory taught me confidence in my writing, taught me that I had something worth sharing, a story worth telling.
Story Factory is an absolutely amazing place to be. They're really inspirational to us. It helps students, not just people, but students, interact with a different part of themselves that you do get to see in high school, but not as much as what Story Factory is letting on. Going to people and being like, I wrote a book, it's a definite confidence booster.
Having Story Factory during high school, I was not expecting to, but I took Extension English and Extension 2 English. It fueled me to pursue writing in obviously a more academic sense.
They help us achieve something greater. It really prepares you and it really gets you ready for adult life.
Story Factory really inspired me to continue my creative journey. Even after school, I knew it was a community I wanted to be a part of.
I love Story Factory. It's really helped me see how much I love literature.
Having something that is yours and inalienable from yourself is invaluable. By supporting Story Factory, you've supported people like me. It's a matter of actually just helping kids pursue things that they actually enjoy.